Through the above steps, you may have read some important information. Now you want to process the dashboard and share the results with your colleagues. Now, there is an important question. The arrangement effect of our components on the dashboard is not ideal. Then how should we adjust the layout of the dashboard? First, we can see clicking the border of the component can adjust the size or the position of the component. So let's follow these steps to make some adjustments to the dashboard. So far then, we have made a basic layout of the dashboard. Now we observe and find that some components belong to one theme. For example, sales top 10 and proportion of sales are both part of the product sales analysis. Let's say that these are both gross profit margin. Then we can add a tab component to categorize the same types. First, we drag a tab component from the other components to the right place. After that, we can drag these two components and name it Sales Analysis. Then we can also add a new tab. Drag both components in it and name it Gross Profit Analysis. Then these two tab components are ready.